On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Craig Morrell. I'm with Landscape Restorations in Miami, Florida. We're here at Palm Hammock Orchid Estate in Miami, Florida, talking about basic gardening. The title of this video section is that gardens aren't always just about plants. It's always a good idea, in my view, to integrate things like statuary, bowls, decorative pots, and stonework, especially if you're doing a very, very intricate garden. Just plants are always nice. I am a horticulturist after all, but there's lots of other options out there. There are very good earthen bowls out there. Ceramics are coming in from Southeastern Asia and from Europe. Some of the beautiful Asian concrete work, glazed pottery, Japanese bronze work, and of course the quintessential water gardens in containers. There's a lot of different options out there. Feel free to diversify between what's called hardscape and plantscape, and even now waterscape. And there's a lot to be had out there in terms of materials, technology, and ways to make your garden as easy as possible. And the idea is to make your garden as easy as possible, but also to make it interesting for you too. We can certainly have a lot of diversity in terms of different materials. Use it.